Good morning, children. My name is T.Y. Muralidhar, Faculty of English. My dear children, today in English subject, the important task that is comprehension. Comprehension passages. That means, what is the meaning of comprehension? Comprehension means the ability to understand something. Children, from 6th class to 10th class in English subject, the most important topic is comprehension. See, in any examination, even sometimes in competitive examinations also, they will ask this kind of comprehension passage questions. They will give either maybe seen passage or unseen passages they will give. So under this passage, they would ask multiple choice questions, fill up the blanks, or write answers for one word or one sentence. And sometimes they will give some sentences in jumbling and ask them to write in order. Children, today we'll discuss jumbled sentences. How to write these jumbled sentences after reading the paragraph, how to write in order. This question carries 5 marks. Very important, children. The first Roman, section A, comprehension reading. From 6th class to 10th class, for all the children, it will be useful. Children, all of you, just look at this paragraph carefully. Children, question number 7. Read the following passage carefully. First of all, you read the passage. After the passage, they will give 5 sentences. Ask the question. Now, arrange the following jumbled sentences into a meaningful order. See, if you write these jumbled sentences in order, after reading the passage, you will get 5 marks. Children, from 6th class to 10th class, it will be useful. Now, come on, go to the passage. Read the passage carefully. See, now I am reading. All of you listen carefully, children. It was a cyclonic season. Children, it was a cyclonic season. Cyclonic means floods. It's raining. There was flood everywhere. There was flood everywhere. Many houses were drowned in the flood. Drowned means completely submerged in water. Understand, children? It was a cyclonic season. There was flood everywhere. Many houses were drowned in the flood. There were a copper pot and an earthen pot in a house. One house, there were 2 pots. One is made of a copper. One is made of copper and one is made of earthen pot. So copper pot and earthen pot. Both of them were washed away in the flood to a river. Children, many houses were drowned. At that time, these 2 pots are also washed away in the flood to a river. The copper pot laughed at the earthen pot and said, "My friend, you are made of mud. You are so weak. Please come near me. I will save you." Children, see, pots are talking. Pots are talking. The copper pot said to the earthen pot, "My friend, you are made of mud. You are so weak. Please come near me. I'll save you." The earthen pot replied, "Thank you for your kindness, my friend, but let me swim to the bank myself." See, when the copper pot offered, the copper pot offered the earthen pot. What offer? My friend, You are made of mud. You are so weak. Please come near me. I will save you. But the earthen pot politely refused and said, my friend, thank you for your kindness, but let me swim to the bank myself. The earthen pot began to swim towards the bank of the river. As the copper pot tried to swim forward, water got into the pot because earthen pot very lightweight, so it floats on the water, whereas copper pot it has some weight, so that's why it tried to drown. So that's why water got into the pot and the copper pot was drowned completely drowned means completely submerged in the water. But earthen pot, because of its light weight, it reached the bank safely. See, what is the moral of this passage, children? Weakness is not in appearance. That means we cannot judge the book by seeing its cover. That means we cannot estimate just by seeing. We have to show human beings' performance or anything's the great capacity. Now, arrange the following jumbled sentences. Jumbled means not in order, into a meaningful order. See, first one, how to write answers means you have to draw this kind of box. In kind of box, you can write here. What we'll write here first? What is first one? What is second one? What is third one? What is fourth one? What is fifth one? See here. First of all, see here. What is this? Read. The copper pot belittled the earthen pot and advised to take its help. The copper pot belittled means underestimate. So, copper pot not counted the earthen pot into consideration. Belittled means disgrace. That means reduced its importance. There were two pots in a house. One is copper and the other is earthen. See here, sentences, see here. There was flood everywhere. Many houses were drowned. There were a copper pot and an earthen pot in a house. So, the first one is C. B, sorry. First one is, you can write B. B is the first one. B is the first one. Okay, children? There were two pots. Then what will happen? One day, these two pots were washed away in the flood to river. See here. There were copper pot and an earthen pot in a house. Both of them were washed away in the flood to a river. So, one day these two pots were washed away in the flood to river. E is the 2. So, you can write 2. So, it is 2. Next, what will happen? The copper pot belittled the earthen pot and advised to take its help. See, the copper pot laughed at the earthen pot and said, laughed means here belittled. So, A is the third one. A is the third one. So, third one means A. Only two more. B, E, A over. Now coming C, D. Next, see what is there? C. But the earthen pot swam towards the bank of the river and reached safely. Water got into the proud copper pot and so it was drowned. So which one comes out? C. You are so weak. Come near me. I will save you. The earthen pot replied, thank you for your kindness, my friend. But let me swim to the bank myself. The earthen pot began to swim towards the bank of the river. As the copper pot tried to swim forward, water got into the pot and the copper pot drowned. See here, water got into the proud copper pot and so it was drowned. D is the fourth one. Fourth one is D. Last one is A, B, C only remains. You have to write C. C. C is the last one. 5. Because, see, but the earthen pat reached the bank safely. So, but the earthen pat swam towards the bank of the river and reached safely. Children, see, likewise in the examination, you must draw and write like this. First one is B, second one is E, third one A, fourth one D, fifth one C. Now, these jumbled sentences in order. Order is, what is the order here? B, E, A, D, C. If you write like this, you will get 5 out of 5. Children, okay, understand all of you? Children, will meet you with another video. Until then, bye children.